girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiatos. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant purse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not ran mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a home man.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to
the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know you. Come take a chance. It's like that I know you know. When you see
I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me this ain't something that you do often. I can't say the same, so use caution. Just saying, came in with an FN. Two girls with him, told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Two at a time laying in my bed. One at the top and the other giving head. Girl on girl, I love the taste. You can run around, I love the chase. If you need a break cause you're thirsty, don't trip cause I know you're burning up. She say she love me but she want her to fuck it up. 11-11. Baby, make a wishing, I'ma do what you want. Ain't no more intermission, I'm tryna see what you want.
Just saying, came in with an FN. Two girls with him, told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Drunk and nasty, wanna get 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 drunk and nasty, wanna Wanna get drunk and nasty, yeah. Wanna get drunk and nasty, yes. Wanna get
Chrome, shoddy.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. way, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you, oh no. I wanna turn up on, I wanna turn you on, I wanna lay with you, that's the least I'ma do. Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, try to feel. How you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for Ashimary hair yet again. They are definitely one of my personal favorite companies when it comes to curly units specifically. If you ever ask me like who's the best company for curly hair, I'm gonna tell you Ashimary every time. I love their curly units and I did a review for them not too long ago, which was like, it went very crazy on my channel. A lot of people really liked that video and it got a lot of views on it, and I really love that curly hair. That's definitely one of my favorite curly units. I love that unit, and today I'm reviewing something similar but not exactly the same. It is also one of the 360 invisible strap units. Although I did want to wear this up in a ponytail, I really like this color and I wanted to have it down where you can see it, because I felt like if I have it up, it's just gonna be like a little, like a blonde poof ball or something like that, or like if I put it in a ponytail it would be like in a bun or something, and I didn't feel like you guys would really be able to see like the beautiful curl pattern and the different dimensions in this color. I did add some layers in this hair as well. As you guys might have saw, like I parted it down the middle, layers around my face, and so like here on this side, let me zoom it in for you guys. So like here on this side you have like these like shorter pieces that like just look really good, you know, it frames it instead of just having like everything down. And the other thing about that is that I also add some volume when you do that. So I really like how this dried down. A lot of people ask me like, what products do you use in your curly hair? I don't use any products in it. The only thing that I did use is just like some Got2b gel just to like do my baby hairs here, like flip everything over as you guys can see. And I really like how well this looks. It's a 360 unit, so meaning that there's lace all the way around, so you can put this up in a ponytail. But like on this side, nonetheless, I didn't use any baby hair because I knew I was gonna have like this be my heavy side. Same thing over here. I don't have a lot, I just have like this swoop here and then like these little curly pieces like right there. So yeah, adding the layers definitely helps out a lot, and just look at how beautiful that is. And I love the fact that the roots are just like this nice brown color and then it goes into the blonde. It's not just like straight up blonde like all the way around. So I like that. I love brown on my skin tone. I just think that this color like really complements me very well. This is a 24-inch unit for you guys wondering. I'm not sure on the density for this one. It is pretty full. It's possibly around like 180% density. I do like the density for this one. It's not overwhelming, and because you could put it in a ponytail, you can definitely get all of this hair back and away from your face. I think this is a great unit to invest in. For one, because you'll definitely be able to get a lot of different hairstyles out of this unit, and the more hairstyles you can get out of the unit, the longer you can actually keep it. The best part about it is that it's also beginner friendly. So if you're somebody who doesn't know like how to cut the lace so that it looks more seamless and more natural, if you're someone who doesn't know how to pluck a unit, this unit does come pre-plucked just a little bit, nothing crazy. So I do like that about it. And you can obviously put it in a ponytail, you can put it in a bun, you can do 2 ponytails, you can even braid like this whole front piece and then have the back like curly. It's a lot of different styles you can definitely do with this unit, and I like units like this because they're so versatile. You definitely get your money's worth. I'll show you guys real quick if you guys wanted to like just style it up real quick in a ponytail, how quick and easy it is. You can have this back. Right now my ponytail is not going to be like super perfect, so yeah, you can definitely wear it up in a ponytail. Here, I'll twist it up in a bun for y'all. I mean, mine's gonna be messy right now because obviously I don't have like a hair tie. So if it get hot and you're like, girl, I'm over all this hair, woo, put it up in a ponytail. Or you can let it down, Rapunzel. Yeah, Ashimary, you literally can never go wrong with a unit from them. And you guys, we have to talk about the free goodies that we got today. Normally, I don't really talk about the free goodies. I just show you guys in the beginning and I'm just done with it. But today we have to talk about the fact that I received a mini flat iron. I have never received that before. And that's also something that I'm telling you is gonna be perfect for vacation. You could use that mini flat iron just for like your baby hair. You know what I mean? If you don't, because obviously this is curly hair, so you don't need it for the whole head. But you can use it like for your baby hairs. That's a perfect flat iron for traveling. If you're on the go, that's something that's small. It could like literally fit in your purse, your carry-on. I was really surprised by that. Like that's the very first time that I've ever received something like that, and I'm definitely gonna use it. I'm definitely gonna be holding on to that. That's definitely something that I will be using like indefinitely. Like I don't have any mini flat irons. Like I have tons of flat irons, but a lot of them are like really big and bulky. But that's something that is like perfect for like on the go. Like even if you just want to do like a quick touch up or something, like that's just awesome. Like obviously, you know, I don't know if you want to flat iron your whole head with a mini flat iron, but if you just need to do like a quick touch up or something, like that's like so genius and so perfect. Obviously they gave us the melting band, which I did use today. I did use this melting band to of course melt the lace, keep everything nice and in place. And also they gave us a new razor, which I can also appreciate. This is the razor that they gave us, and all of the colors are teal, like that's like the color of the brand. And I love when companies give us these razors because obviously we all need them. Like you need them to cut your lace. Sometimes you may want to cut like a comb out of the inside. And speaking of that, it does have combs in the inside as well. So if you need that extra security, they definitely have it. And it also has a comb in the very back that you can hook underneath your braids. And be mindful, when you get this unit, there's going to be those clear straps that are in the back. I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. Do not cut those out. Don't cut those out. Okay? Do not cut those out. Okay, because if you do, you will not be able to tighten this unit. You need to keep those in. I know you're looking at it like, what is this weird string right here? That is the invisible strap. So you pull the string, and then the little piece that's at the end, you pull that down to just like secure it in place. But yeah, you pull the string to tighten it, and the little piece that's down, you slide that down. I did show you guys earlier like how that works, but yeah, definitely make sure you don't cut that part out because otherwise you're not going to be able to like adhere your unit. It doesn't have like the traditional straps that are in the back, but it does have the adjustable elastic band like hooked in the inside, so you can leave that in or you can take it out. I would suggest keeping it in the unit as well. And it's also very secure. The thing that I like about the elastic band in here is that it's not slipping out and it's not coming out, because a lot of times I have an issue with that with these glueless units where that little piece ends up like unhooking and it's just like so annoying. So anyway, all in all, I really do like this unit from Ashimary. Anyways, all in all, I really do like this unit from Ashimary. Like I said, this is a 24-inch. I did stand up a moment ago and I showed you guys where this unit was hitting on me. You guys can kind of already see right now like where it's hitting on me. It's like just under the bust. I mean, obviously if you pull it, it'll be like a lot longer, but it's just like, you know. And how they measure these units, they typically go off the stretch length. But yeah, all in all, I really do like this unit, you guys. I think a lot of you guys are gonna like this one as well. So if you're interested, check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details to this hair. If you guys have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor. Ashimary, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this amazing unit. I absolutely love it. We got another banger. Ashimary just never does me wrong. Like they just get it every single time. Like every time. I love their units and I love all the free goodies that we got. Like hello. So shout out to them and shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.